In the digital age, Microsoft Office reigns supreme. It's not just a suite of applications. It's a cornerstone of modern productivity. It's the ubiquitous toolkit for professionals, students, and anyone who dares to type a letter or crunch a number. From creating polished documents in Word to analyzing data in Excel and managing emails in Outlook, Microsoft Office is indispensable. But let's be honest, even the most tech-savvy among us have encountered moments of sheer frustration when Word crashes, disrupting our workflow and causing unnecessary stress. Excel throws a #ref error, leaving us puzzled and our data in disarray, or Outlook refuses to send an email, making communication a challenge. Fear not, dear reader. This guide is your trusty companion on the quest to conquer common Microsoft Office issues. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned user, we've got you covered. We'll demystify those error messages, provide step-by-step solutions, and empower you to navigate the digital workplace with confidence. Our goal is to turn those frustrating moments into learning opportunities. Why is this so important? Because time spent wrestling with software glitches is time stolen from productivity and peace of mind. Every minute counts in today's fast-paced world. So let's dive in and equip you with the knowledge to troubleshoot like a pro. With the right skills, you'll not only save time, but also enhance your efficiency and confidence in using Microsoft Office. Formatting, the bane of many a Word user's existence. It can turn a simple task into a frustrating ordeal. One minute, your document is a masterpiece of typography with everything in its rightful place. The next, it's a chaotic jumble of fonts, margins, and indents, making it look like a mess. Don't despair. Let's tackle some common culprits that often cause these issues. For instance, your text suddenly switches fonts or sizes mid-sentence, seemingly without reason. This often happens when pasting text from another source, bringing along unwanted formatting. To avoid this, use the Paste Special feature. Click Paste, then select Keep Text Only. This ensures you're only pasting the content, not the formatting. Another common issue is inconsistent margins, which can make your document look unprofessional. Your margins are all over the place, making your document look unprofessional and disorganized. Check your ruler settings and adjust them as needed to ensure consistency throughout your document. Also, make sure you haven't accidentally added extra spaces or tabs, which can throw off your formatting. Your numbered or bulleted lists are behaving erratically, jumping around or changing styles unexpectedly. Word can be finicky with lists, often causing frustration. Try selecting the entire list and reapplying the numbering or bullet style. This can often resolve the issue and bring order back to your document. Few things are more panic-inducing than Word crashing and taking your unsaved work with it. Here's how to recover lost work and prevent future crashes. Word crashes and you haven't saved your recent changes. Don't panic. Word often auto-saves your document. Reopen Word and look for Document Recovery in the left-hand pane. Word keeps crashing repeatedly. This could be due to a corrupted file, a conflicting add-in, or even a lack of system resources. Try repairing your Office installation, disabling add-ins, or restarting your computer. You suspect a specific document is causing the crashes. Try opening the document in safe mode by holding down the Ctrl key while opening Word. This disables add-ins and templates that might be causing the issue. Excel's power lies in its ability to perform complex calculations, but those formulas can sometimes feel like cryptic riddles. Let's decode some common error messages. You see the dreaded #value error. This usually means you're trying to perform a mathematical operation on a cell containing text or an incorrect data type. Double-check your formula and cell references. The #ref error rears its ugly head. This indicates a problem with your cell references. You might have deleted a cell, row, or column that your formula was referencing. Your formula results seem inaccurate. Carefully review your formula for typos, incorrect operators, or missing parentheses. Remember the order of operations. PEMDAS BODMAS. Section 5. Excel errors boosting spreadsheet speed. Is your Excel file moving slower than a snail in a spreadsheet? Large data sets and complex formulas can bog down performance. Here's how to speed things up. Your spreadsheet takes forever to calculate. Try switching to manual calculation mode. Go to Formulas, Calculation Options, Manual. This prevents Excel from recalculating every time you make a change. You suspect a specific formula is causing the slowdown. Use Excel's formula auditing tools to identify and optimize inefficient formulas. Look for excessive use of volatile functions like now and today. Your file size is massive, making it cumbersome to work with. Compress images, remove unnecessary formatting, and save the file in a more efficient format like .lx. Section 6. Outlook Obstacles Troubleshooting Email Delivery. Few things are more frustrating than an email that refuses to send. It can disrupt your workflow and cause unnecessary stress, especially when you need to communicate something important. Let's troubleshoot common culprits behind delivery issues. Understanding these can save you time and frustration. Your email won't send and you receive an error message. This is often the first sign that something is wrong. Check your internet connection, ensure you're using the correct email address and password, and verify that the recipient's address is valid. Sometimes a simple typo can cause major issues. Your email gets stuck in your outbox. This can be particularly annoying as it sits there unsent. This could indicate a large attachment or a temporary server issue. Large files can clog the system, making it difficult for your email to go through. Try reducing the attachment size or waiting a few minutes before trying again. Patience can sometimes be the key. You suspect your email might be ending up in the recipient's spam folder. This is a common issue that can be easily overlooked. Ask the recipient to check their spam folder and add your email address to their contacts list. This can help ensure future emails land in their inbox. Avoid using spammy language in your subject line or body. Words like free, urgent, or excessive punctuation can trigger spam filters. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and resolve most email delivery issues, ensuring your messages reach their intended recipients. Section 7. Outlook Obstacles. Syncing your calendar for seamless scheduling. Your calendar is your lifeline, so keeping it synced across devices is crucial. Let's resolve those pesky synchronization issues. Your calendar appointments aren't syncing between your computer and phone. Check your internet connection on both devices. Ensure that you're using the same Microsoft account and that calendar syncing is enabled in your settings. You see duplicate calendar entries. This can happen when multiple devices or applications are syncing with the same calendar. Review your connected accounts and disable any redundant syncing options. Your calendar invites aren't being received or sent properly. Verify your email address and ensure that you're using the correct calendar permissions when sharing with others. Section 8. Proactive Prevention Safeguarding Your Work and Sanity. While troubleshooting is essential, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Here are some proactive tips to minimize the risk of encountering these issues in the first place. Don't rely on autosave alone. Make it a habit to save your work every few minutes, especially when working on large or important documents. Microsoft regularly releases updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements. Ensure your Office suite is always up to date. Don't risk losing your precious data. Regularly back up your files to an external hard drive, cloud storage, or both. Protect your Microsoft account with a strong, unique password to prevent unauthorized access and potential data loss. Section 9. Seeking support when all else fails. Even with the best troubleshooting skills, some issues might require expert assistance. Don't hesitate to seek help when needed. Microsoft offers extensive online resources, including help articles, forums, and chat support. If you're experiencing issues at work, your IT department is your first line of defense. They can diagnose and resolve problems specific to your organization's setup. Sometimes a fresh pair of eyes and a bit of technical know-how from a friend or family member can be all you need to overcome a stubborn issue. Section 10. The Empowerment of Problem Solving. Mastering Microsoft Office isn't just about memorizing keyboard shortcuts or navigating menus. It's about building confidence in your ability to troubleshoot problems, adapt to new features, and harness the full potential of these powerful tools. Each challenge you overcome, each error message you decipher, brings you one step closer to digital mastery. Embrace the learning process and remember that even the most seasoned tech professionals were once beginners. Section 11. Conclusion. Your toolkit for a smoother workflow. Congratulations! You're now armed with a toolkit of knowledge to tackle common Microsoft Office issues head-on. Remember, most problems have straightforward solutions, and with a bit of patience and persistence, you can overcome almost any obstacle. So, the next time Word throws a formatting tantrum, Excel serves up a cryptic error message, or Outlook decides to play email hide-and-seek, take a deep breath, channel your inner tech support guru, and apply the tips and tricks you've learned. You've got this.